So this is my retropie setup. It has about this video card is 128 gigabytes, and it has about 1,000 games. Let's see. It has Atari, Dreamcast, Game Boy, Sega, Nintendo, Neo Geo, Nintendo, Mini, I don't know what that one is, PlayStation, Sega 2, Super Nintendo, TurboGrafx, and then these are all the games. So you see, those are all the games it has. See that? It's like, I don't know, I think it has more than 1,000. So pretty much I have a favorite section. Oh no. So you can either play with that with that joystick, or you can play with this other arcade joystick that I created. I like the buttons on this one better. Let's see if it has curve. These are my favorite ones. Some of them are not mine, some of them are in there. So let's play some Capcom arcade. And I created with a box because I'm waiting for the for my arcade box, acrylic one that I bought online. It has a built-in speaker in there. Shit. Anyways, I'm not that good with this game. I haven't played this in years. I haven't played this since I was little. So I have the action button here and then the start button here. You can play Super Mario, Mortal Kombat, Pac-Man, Pokemon, Punch-Out. I think it has the Simpsons, so I have to go look for it. And the Ninja Turtles, Sonic, Street Fighter. So that's it. Just gonna let it load so you can see. And pretty much it has a built-in speaker, and you can connect it to the HDMI. I'm still working on that, so I can connect it to my computer. But that's about it.